Hi guys, this is Tony. Here comes this northbound coming through here. After that, looks like it's going to be a lengthy wait until the Amtrak gets through here. We'll see if I still have time to get the Amtrak this morning because they're going really early in the morning though. There they are. There they are. 4985 and 7965 there. Very impressive there. I got all that torn out in the hair and Dittmar. Wow. Unbelievable. Alright, it's gonna be a while until the Amtrak comes here, so I'll I'll try my best to come back out here later to grab the Amtrak and stuff, as long as we're doing good in time. Since I go in 11:15, so no promises there, but we'll see. Bye.